So one of the questions that comes up quite a lot, Dan, is how long does equity release take? So obviously in the world of normal mortgages, it could take a couple of months, I suppose, for a remortgage to go through. How does equity release compare?
It depends on what you're trying to achieve. Right at the shortest timescale end, we've got the further advance. If you already have an equity release plan in place, that can go through incredibly quickly, possibly less than a month. If it's a new equity release case, which is a fairly simple scenario, maybe paying off an existing mortgage, then we could be looking at 6 to 8 weeks, something like that. For a more complex case, if there's changes to title or something like that needed, you're looking at 2 to 3 months, and probably the longest timescale is a purchase. And reasonably, that can be 3 months or maybe even more.
And what are when things do take longer, are there any sort of typical reasons where things drag the heels?
If we need to do something like an extension of a lease, so that's very much similar to a standard mortgage. If there's someone coming on or off the deeds, land registry, as we all know at the moment, is still got a big backlog. So if there's anything that's to do with a change of title, that can affect. With purchases, it tends to be because you've got at least 3 sets of solicitors involved. So you've got the vendor's solicitor, you've got the purchaser's solicitor, and you've also got the lender's solicitor involved as well. So you've got a 3-way thing going between the solicitors, which can cause sometimes frustrating delays.
Yeah. So I suppose in a nutshell then, a purchase will take just as long, if not slightly longer, than a traditional transaction, yes. Whereas a standard kind of equity release style mortgage, in a lot of cases, will actually go through quicker than a standard remortgage, right?
Yes, that's true.